Hello students, this is lecture number 6 on relation and function. As you know, in the previous class I discussed about examples related to function. Today I am taking what? Some functions and their graphs. Listen to me. This is a very important. This is a 5 marks questions. On the basis of this, you will get 5 marks question in the exam case. Some functions and their graphs. In this session, we will deal some functions. Means what are the functions here, and what are the domain of that, and what is the range of that, and also we will take its graph. First one. I will take one by one. First one, I can say identity function. Identity function. Identity function. Which function it is? We are calling it is identity function. I will write its definition. A function f from, we know notation of the function. I said f from a to b. Like here I am taking real number to real number. A function f from real number to real number. Real number is what here? First set is a domain and second set is a codomain. This function is defined from real number to real number. Defined by f of x is equal to x. For all x belongs to what? Real number is called identity function. Identity function. What is this? A function f from real number to real number defined by f of x is equal to, this is the thing, f of x is equal to x. For all x is what? Belongs to real number is called identity function. The thing is, why it is identity function? This is whenever we are saying f of x is equal to x, we are saying always, I can say that is y is equal to f of x is equal to x. Means when we are saying f of x is a function, this we can take y is equal to f of x is equal to x. Because why it is a identity function, you take any value of x, you will get same value of y. X is 1, y is 1, x is 0, y is 0, x is 2, y is 2, x is 1.5, y is 1.5, x is 3, whatever you can take. See, x is equal to whatever you take a y value, you will get same, because f of x is equal to x. When you are taking x value, you will get y value. If you are taking x value is natural number, you will get y value is what? F of x is nothing but y only in the case of order pair. When x is natural number, y is also natural number. X is whole number, y is also whole number. X is rational number, y is also rational number, because what you are taking x values, you will get same values, because f of x is equal to only x. Means x is real number, y is what? This is also real number. Means that here x is what? Input values. You can say input value, means we are taking what we will get corresponding to x, we will say that is output values. Means those are a range. Means in the case of order pair, first elements of the order pair is considered as a domain, second elements are considered as a range. Like here x values are a domain, y value is always range. Means that you can take any real number. Here he is saying x belongs to, for all x belongs to real number, means y value is also will get so many real numbers. For that reason, I can say domain of this function is real number, set of real number. Range of this function is set of real number. Means in this case, I can say domain of F. Domain of F is nothing but what? This is domain of F is set of real number. What it is are? Set of real numbers. Set of real numbers. What is range? When you are taking x value, whatever you take x value, you will get y value same, because only y is equal to f of x is equal to x. So range is what? Range of f is also same. Set of real numbers. Set of real numbers. Domain of this function is what? Set of real number. Range of this function is what? Set of real number. Both are same. This is the definition, this is the domain, this is the range. So on the basis of this function, I will take graph. Graph of this function we will draw there. Means in the examination case he will ask define, write domain and range of this function, and also draw the graph of the function. So I will say what is a graph? Graphical representation of this is what? Now I will take table x, y is equal to f of x is equal to what? X. This is a table. See the thing. Now zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. I am taking this one only four numbers, left side and right side. Once you think about when you are taking x values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, so on, what you will get y values? Can you tell me what you will get y values? When x is 0, when x is 0, y, x is 0 means here y is what? Same only, x is 0, y is also 0. X is minus 1, y is also minus 1. X is minus 2, y is also minus 2. X is minus 3, y is also minus 3. X is minus 4, y is also minus 4. And you can take still more numbers. You will get same only. X is 1, y is 1. X is 2, y is 2. X is 3, 3 means y is equal to what? 3 only. X is 4, y is 4. You can take so many. Here also you will get so many. Same. Means you will get same number only. What you are taking x value, you will get same value. Means you can take 0.1, 0.1. X is equal to 0.5, y is equal to 0.5. X is equal to 0.25, y is equal to, you will get same. X is equal to, you take any number, y is equal to, you will get that number. So means here both the values are identical. Can I say here x value and y value? X value and y. Is it? This is a y. If it is not clear, I can write like x value, y value. Both are looking same, no? Both are same, identical. They are x values and y values are identical, means that you can say that what? It is a identity function, because whatever you take x value, you will get same value of y. So now graph. Graph of this. So graph you can draw. You can draw this graph on graph paper, otherwise you can draw in your rough paper also. Plain paper, you can take plain paper. On the plain paper also you can draw, or you can use graph paper. So better you can use graph paper and draw this. Now you follow this roughly. Later you can, while writing, in that case you can take a graph and draw this. Okay. So we will see graph. What is the graph here? Graph say, I will take x-axis and y-axis. Listen to me. No. This I am considering 0. This is a 1. This is a 2. This is a 3. This is a 4. This will be 5 and so on. I can say it is x. It is y. It's x dash. This y dash. means x is a positive x-axis, this is a negative x-axis. Negative x-axis means you will get negative -1, -2, -3, -4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. In this case -1, -2, -3, -4. This I am doing right. These are the points. Plot these. Right side of x-axis positive, left side of x-axis negative. Above the y means above the origin y is what? A positive. Below the origin y is what? A negative. You plot these points. Then I will take graph. Now point according to that. What is x? X 0, y also 0 means point I will take this. You shade, you take more point. X is 0, y is 0. X is 1, y is 1 means x is here. See, this is x. Y is here. X is 1, y is 1 means this one. You can take mark. X is 2, y is what? X is 2, y is also 2 means where you will get point? This one. X is 3, y is what? Y is also 3. X is 3, y is 3 means where you will get its corresponding here. X is 4, y is what? Y is also 4. Corresponding, it's corresponding. Like x is -1, y is also -1. X is -2, x is -2 here. Y is what? -2 here. X is -3, y is what? It's corresponding. Y -3. X is -4, x is -4, y is what? -4. Yes. So points are what? According to these points I am getting straight line passing through the origin means join this. Now I will join these all points. Join with straight line. If you have scale you can use scale. Using scale you can join these all points. So what happening here? This is a line. I can say it is what? Y is equal to x. It's a straight line, huh? It's a straight line. It's a straight line. This is nothing but I can still you can extend because you have so many points. Yes. This is what you can say. This is we are getting straight line. Straight line because this is what you are getting straight line passing through the origin. What is the graph of the identity function? Graph of the identity function is a straight line passing through the origin. A straight line passing through the origin is what? Graph of the identity function. Is it clear? This is the graph. Nothing is. You define, I will define this. Domain means x values. Which value of x we are taking? Range, y values. According to x, when you are taking x values corresponding to x, you will get y values. Those are considered as a range of the function. Then take x sub I. Take 4 positive point, 4 negative point and 0 and put these all value. According to x value, you will get y values. Using that you take the points on the graph. Take a graph paper. On the graph paper x value and y value. X point, y point is considered. According to that you take the points and join. If it is all points are straightly, in that case only you take a straight line. Otherwise if it is randomly, in that case you will get curves usually. Whenever you will get random points, in that case you will get curve, but it is not curve, it is a straight line. Means I can say identity function is what? It is a graph of the identity function is straight line passing through the origin. This is considered as what? Y is equal to x. This is first graph. Okay. Draw this. Now second graph, second function. Which is second? I can say square function. Square function. A function itself is saying which function it is? square function. I will define same a function f from real number to real number defined by f of x, means you can say y also. Y is equal to f of x. F of x is a function, is equal to x square, because it is what, square function, for all x belongs to real number, is called square function. Is called square function. The thing is, see, what is the function here? Y is equal to f of x is equal to x square. In this case, x is equal to, you can take any real number, you will get what? Y is equal to square of the x. Means x is 0, 0 square is what? 0. X is 1, 1 square 1. X is 2, 2 square, what you will get? See, when y is equal to x square, if x is 2, y is equal to 2 square, you will get y is equal to 4, no? X is 3, 3 square 9. X is 4, 4 square 16. X is 5, 5 square 25. Means whatever you take x value, you will get y value square of that. Means x value is any real number, y value is square of the real number. X is, when you are considering x is a real number, I can say y is a square of the real number, because this function is converting x value to square of the x value. Means this function is doing what? Whatever you take x value, that will be converted as a square of that. Means this function will convert x values, real number, to square of the real number, and then y value will get a square of all real numbers. Means x value is always what? A domain. Y value is what? Always range. Means what is the domain of this function? So I can say domain of f. Domain of f means domain of this square function. Domain of square function is what? Set of real number. Set of real numbers. Set of real numbers. Set of real numbers. What is range? Range is nothing but y value. Range of f is what? Range of f, you can say square of the real number. I can say square of real number. Square of real numbers. What is the range of this? Square of real numbers, because you take any value of x. You can take any value of x. You will get a domain is always any value of x. But here, every x value will become square of that. Means when you are taking x as a real number, it will become square of the real number. Y is what? Range. Range is a square of real number. Now table I will take. So table of this. X, y is equal to f of x is equal to x square is a function. This is a table. Okay. So I said I will take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Still more you can take, but I am taking only up to 4 only. Okay, you can take more also, but it is more than enough. What is now? Think about this. When x values are given, what value of y will get? What is the x? X is 0. 0 square is 0. X is 1. 1 square is 1 only. 2 square 4. 3 square 9. 4 square 16. Minus 1 square is again plus 1. Minus 2 square is minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 only. Minus 3 square, minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9. Minus 4 square, minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16. Means 0. X is 0 means x square, 0 square is 0. X is 1. 1 square is 1. 2x is 2 means 2 square, y value what you will get, 2 square is 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, here minus 1 square plus 1, minus 2 square 4, because square of the negative number is always positive, minus 3 square 9, minus 4 square 16. You check once yourself and you can. Now y values are more, x value is only less, means I will take a graph like, I will draw, this is roughly I am drawing while drawing yourself you can draw very neatly, you can take yourself neatly. So I can say this is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Again this is x, this is x dash, this you can say y, this is a y dash. Now the thing is, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the y values? Y value is highest 16. Highest 16. There is no lowest. Means no negative number, means don't take below point. Only positive possible. Even though you can take. But 0, 1. After 1, 0, later 1, 1, later 4. 4 I will take somewhere here. 4. Then 9. Roughly I am taking 9 here. Then 16 is here. Okay. Like negative number is not necessary, because here you can say only positive. Why is you are getting only positive numbers? You see there. So I am taking for reference, or you can say roughly, I am taking 1, 4, 9, 16, because y values are possible what? Only positive. 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. Here also 1, 4, 9, 16. For that reason I am taking those numbers only. Okay. Y values. Now I will say it is not necessary these numbers, because now what is 0? X is 0, y is 0. Point is here. X is 0, y is 0. Okay, this is x is 0, y is 0 always. X is 1, y is what? 1 only. X is 1, y is 1. X is 2, y is 4. X is 2, y is what? 4. Yes, here. Means it is jumping now. X is 3, what? Y is 9. This will be. X is 4, x is 4, y value is what? 16. 16 you will get here. Now, this one, x is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 is a plus 1 only. Minus 1 is plus 1 means here, same again. Minus 2 again what? 4. Minus 3 again corresponding to plus 3, because minus 3 square is plus 9. It is not below. I am not taking below, because when you are taking minus also, minus square is becoming positive. Minus 4 square is 16 again. So here so many points we left. Means it is not like x is 0, y is 0, x is 1, y is 1, x is 2, y is 2, x is 3, y is 3. In the previous case you have x value, y value are same, you will get so many straight line you will get. Means you can say that straight line, means you can connect all the points. But here it is not like, when you are taking x is 0, 0, 1, 1. When you are taking 2, 2 will become 4. Then 3 will become 9, because 3 square, 4 square 16. Say minus 1 square. If it is minus 1 square is 1, means I am taking above only y. Minus 2 square here. Minus 3 square. Minus 3 square is again 9 corresponding y value. Minus 4 square 16. So join these points by curve. Means how I am connecting now? This I can connect like using curve. You can use curve. See how I am connecting. I am not using straight line. You use curve. You take curve. Yes. It is like you will get a alphabet U. It is looking like alphabet U. This is the graph of the square function. How it is looking? Alphabet U. This is what? Y is equal to x square. Which function it is? Y is equal to x square, square function. So you can say it is looking like square function. So this is the what? Graph of this function. Graph of this function. Is it clear? Take the point and plot the diagram. Nothing. If you want, once you can share this for your purpose. This is what a graph of the square function. It is second one. What is domain of this? Set of real number. What is range? When you are taking set of real number, all the real number will become square of the real number. Y is what? Square of the real number. This is the range. Keep in mind. Okay. This is the second graph. Draw this. Third one. Third one, which function? Cube function. Which function it is? Cube function. Cube function. Which function it is? Cube function. What is a cube function? You know cube function is what? Same again, square, like here cube you will get. A function f from real number to real number, defined by y is equal to f of x is equal to, I will say, x cube for all x belongs to real number is called what? Cube function. Is called cube function. Cubic is nothing but better. You can say cube function. Now what is now function is here? Y is equal to f of x is equal to x cube. Listen to me. Function is nothing but it is one of the like machine. What you will take x, that will convert according to that. Means whatever you take x value, you will get y value cube of that. X is 1, y is 1 cube means 1. X is 2 cube 8. Y, if it is x is 3 cube 27. So it is enough. If x is, you can take more than that, you will get. If it is x is 4 means 4 cube, 4 into 4, 16, 16 into 4, 64. If it is x is 5 cube, 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 5, 125. Like you can take so many values. Now what is x is minus 1 cube, minus 1 only. Minus 2 cube in the case of odd power minus numbers are minus only, means negative number of the odd power is negative number even power is a positive. For that reason I said minus 2 square is 4, minus 2 cube is a minus 8. In the case of, because you will multiply 3 times, minus 2 means you will multiply like minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 into minus 2 minus 8. In the case of cubic, for that reason you will get negative, means here positive number cube is positive, negative number cube is a negative. Means what is here? I can say now domain of f is what? Set of real number, again set of real numbers. What is range? Range of this is, range of f is cube of real numbers, cube of any real numbers, because whatever you take you will get cube of real numbers only. Okay, this is domain is what? Set of real number. This is cube of real number. You can take any real number, those cube you will get. Okay, now this is a definition and domain and range. Now I will take table. Table I will take up to 3 only, because you will get 3 cube 27. So table of this. X y is equal to f of x is equal to x cube. Now I can say 0, 1, 2, 3. If you want you can take still. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. If you want, you can take still here also. Okay. I am saying dot. Dot means you can take still more. 0. 0 cube is 0. 1 cube. 1 cube is 1 only. 2 cube. 2 cube you can say y is equal to x cube. Means if it is y is equal to 2 cube, y is equal to what you will get? 8. Means I can say 8. 3 cube. 27. Here minus 1 cube. Minus 1. Minus 2 cube. Minus 2 cube is minus 8. Minus 3 cube. Minus 3 cube is minus 27. If you want, you can write dot dot dot, like you can still, only these numbers are enough. These numbers are enough. Okay. You can take any, those you will get a cube of that. Means set of real number means you will get cube of the real number. Now I will take graph of this. Graph. I will take y is longer because we will get minimum. So when I am taking 3, I will get y value 23. So this we have very less. 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So x. Roughly I am taking. Follow this. And you can take later neatly. Y dash. 0, 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. You can take so many. I will take 0, 0, 1. 1 is here. When 2 cube is what? I will say 8. 3 cube is what? 27. Directly. Okay. Now, minus 1. Minus 2. Minus 2 will give what? Minus 8. Here also minus 8. You can take minus 8. Then, minus 27. I took. So, you will get so many. This you will get so many numbers still. Here also you will get so many numbers. And here also you will get so many numbers. And here also you will get so many numbers. Okay. Now, according to that, you check what you will get graph. When x is 0, y is what? X is 0, y is 0. X is 1, y is 1. X is 2, y is 8. X is 3, y is 27 direct. X is minus 1, y is minus 1. X is minus 2, y is what? Minus 8. X is minus 3, y is minus 27. So I can say x is 0, this is. X is 1, y is 1. X is 2, y is direct 8. X is 3, y is what? Y is direct 27. Point is x is minus 1, y is minus 1. Minus 1 here, y, this y dash, minus 1. In this graph, we are getting point in the below also. X is minus 1, x is minus 2, y is what? Minus 8. X is minus 3, y is what? Minus 27. So I left so many points. Means it is not straight line, it is a curve. You can connect with these all points by using curve. I will connect like these points can be connected by using curve. So use the curve. Freehand you can. Don't use scale. While drawing this graph, don't use scale. Without using scale, you can use freely. You can move freely. Freely you can move. Like, join this like. Join this like. See like. How it is I am joining. So point is like. How the graph? It's a free. It's a curve. This is the graph of the what? Cube function. Y is equal to x cube. Y is equal to x cube. It is a cube of the function. Domain is what? Set of real number. What is range? Range is a cube of the real numbers. This is the third graph. Draw this. Fourth one. Fourth one, constant function. Constant function. Function itself is what? Constant function. I will define a function f from real number to real number defined by y is equal to f of x is equal to k. Again here I can say these x, any x, for all x belongs to R, where k is any constant is called constant function. What is happening here? See, the thing is, a function f from real number to real number defined by y is equal to f of x is equal to k, where x belongs to R, where k is any constant, is called constant function. K may be any number. So what is domain? Domain is nothing but you can take any value, but y value one particular constant. One particular constant means it may be k, or it may be k may be any 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever the number. If k is 5, that will be 5 only always. X is whatever you will get, whatever you take, y value will get k only. Means domain of this. Domain means domain you can take any. Domain of f is a set of real number. You can take any number. What is the range? Range of f is any constant. What we are saying? K. I will take graph of this. Nothing is here. Domain of R is set of real number. Range of f is what? Any constant. Means any constant is what? Any constant you can say k. So means for example, so I will take a graph like a table x, y is equal to f of x is equal to k. I will take again same numbers, 0 and all. Constant may be positive, negative, don't worry. You can say positive constant, negative constant. If it is positive constant, you will get positive. If it is negative constant, you will get negative. Means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. When x is 0, y is what? Y is k. K is nothing but constant. X is 1. If x is 1, k constant means does not change. You can change x, but y does not change. Y is always k. Any constant, that constant is fixed. X is k. Here I can't take x is any number, k only. Means I can say y is equal to f of x. F of 0, k. F of 1, k only. F of x value 2, k only. You take any value of x. F of 3, k. F of minus 3, k only. K may be any number. K is some particular. F of 4, k. F of minus 4, k. You take any number, you will get k only. Means you will get only constant. 1, k. 2, k. 3, k only. 4, k. Minus 1, k only. Any constant. This is also any constant. This is also any constant. This is also any constant. Because in the case of constant function, that will be always constant. So I can say that in this case, you will get graph is a one particular constant. If it is positive k, you will get positive. If it is negative k, you will get negative. If I am taking this positive k, I will say now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1. You take more also, it is enough. I can take only these 4 numbers. This is a y, this is y dash. In this case, I am fixing one particular number somewhere. You can fix anywhere here. You can fix anywhere. I said here, this is what? It is a k. Whatever variation that I will take, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. You take any number, it's corresponding. 0, k. 1, k only. See there. 2, table will k. 3, number is k only. 4, k. Minus 1, k only. Minus 2, k. Minus 3, k. Minus 4, k. Minus k. You take any number. So better you can say this is the line parallel to x-axis. This will get line parallel to x-axis. Means I can join this by using straight line. Using straight line I can join. This is what it's a straight line. Roughly I am drawing you use scale. While joining these points you can use scale. What it is? Y is equal to k. Any constant. If it is negative constant, you will get here below. If you have minus k, you can say that. Here if you can take minus k, you will get minus values. With that, minus k you will get here. Plus k above the origin. Minus k below the origin, you will get another line parallel to x-axis that should be below the origin. This line is above the origin because this k is a positive constant. If it is negative constant, you will get below that, means minus k. If it is, I can say plus or minus. If it is plus k, you will get this one. If it is, it may be minus k. In this case, for example, it may be plus or minus k. It may be any constant. I can say any constant. It may be plus k or minus k. It does not matter. If it is plus k, plus you have. If it is minus k, minus k, minus k, minus k, minus k, minus k, minus k. It is also minus k, minus k, minus k. So again I can say that minus k with this. If I am taking minus, if it is minus k, I will say here minus k. Again minus 1, minus k, 2, minus k, 3, minus k, 4, minus k. This is minus 1, minus k, minus 2, minus k, minus 3, minus k, minus. So better I can say this is also a line parallel to x-axis. Again this straight line. You can draw. Neatly I can say what? It's a line. These are the points. This is what y is equal to minus. This is also constant. This is one line. This is one line. Okay. So that is considered as it is not, arrow mark is not necessary. We can say that line is enough. This is a constant graph. Okay. So in the next class, very important, you will get 5 marks, modulus graph, greatest integer function, and next one is a signum function, reciprocal function. Means I will take another 4 graphs. Those 4 graphs are very important for exam point of view. You will get 5 marks question. These also, but compared to these 4, next class what I am taking 4 graphs, those are very important. What are the graphs? Next one, 5th one I will take modulus, 6th one greatest integer, next one signum function, last one reciprocal function. Those remaining 4 graphs are very important. So compulsory how to follow next video, because those graphs are 5 marks graphs. In the exam case, you will get 5 marks easily. In this case, nothing, you understand definition, domain, range. Domain is what? X value. Range is what? Y value. what you will take x value, those are the domain. Domain always defined values. Means while taking, you check is it possible to define or not. If it is possible to define, you take the value. If it is not possible to define, don't take. When you are taking those values, x values are a domain, y values according to domain you will get a y value. Means which value of x you are taking, according to that you will get y value. So function will give, it is a particular function, I can say constant. X value, take any value, you will get k only. For that reason we are saying constant function. This is about a constant function. In the next class what I am taking, remaining 4, those are very important. In the next video I will take remaining 4 graphs. According to that you will get a 5 marks question. Okay, thank you.